Now we are going to say the new practical, that is a porous and non-porous wood. Here porous and non-porous woods, they are developed after the secondary growth. The additions of the new tissues, that is secondary xylem and secondary phloem, by the secondary vascular cambium in a primary vascular cambium or in the primary xylem and primary phloem, due to which the additions of the new tissue, girth, diameter or size goes on increasing, is known as the secondary growth. Here secondary growth plays in the plants are which are the perennial plants which lasted for more than 2 years, and they are the plant. This secondary growth takes place that time the vascular cambium and the non-vascular cambium, the formations of the tissues are takes place. And during this vascular cambium, the vascular tissues which are present, primary xylem and primary phloem, the girth, the diameter, size goes on increased, and due to which the new tissue which are formed, the secondary xylem and the secondary phloem which are formed through the primary xylem and primary phloem and primary vascular cambium. Here secondary xylem is form more amount and secondary phloem is a lesser amount. And the xylem is a more amount form and the phloem is a normal amount of the form. Here the xylem, which is the secondary xylem, is known as the wood. Means the large trees which are present, this main trunk is a woody, hard and stony, that is known as the wood, that is the logwood. Here the structure is hard. On the basis the secondary xylem, the tissue which are present on this basis, they are called as the ring porous and diffuse porous or non-porous. Here secondary xylem in wood consists of xylem vessels, xylem tracheids, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. These are the 4 elements of the xylem. This xylem parenchyma is a lesser amount, but xylem vessels, xylem tracheids and xylem fibers are more amount of developed. On the surface, so they are look circular in outline, and vertical section it looks like the vertical longitudinal cells. Here xylem which xylem vessels which are present. On the basis of the xylem vessels in the tissue, when the xylem vessels are present, then the wood is known as the porous wood. And if the wood xylem vessels are absent, then it is known as the non-porous wood. On the basis the xylem vessels, either it is porous or non-porous wood. Means the secondary xylem which are formed, the xylem tracheids and sclerin fibers which are present. Here the xylem vessels, they are spherical in outline. When the xylem vessels smaller and the larger vessels are present, and they are not in a ring, they are scattered in a secondary xylem, then the wood is known as the diffuse porous wood. Diffuse porous wood is from the mango and eucalyptus. Then the second one is known as the ring porous wood. Ring porous wood. Here the xylem vessels which are present, they are smaller or larger, but they are arranged in a ring. They are arranged in the ring, known as the ring porous wood. Only difference between the xylem vessels are in the ring porous. Xylem vessels, they are scattered diffuse porous. That it is found in a tick and name. It is found in the tick and name. The porous, non-porous wood in a secondary xylem vessels, xylem tracheids, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, which are 4 elements of the xylem present. Out of xylem vessels are absent, remaining xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma and xylem tracheids are present. Means xylem vessels are absent in the plant tissue. It is known as a non-porous wood. Therefore, such a type of the spherical bodies are not developed In this it is known as a non-porous wood, and non-porous wood is a -1. Xylem vessel present, the wood is a hard. Xylem vessels are absent, wood is a softened. Means in this slides we should write there the secondary growth, and after secondary growth, xylem vessels, their structure, either they are scattered or ringed on the basis the permanent slides are studied.